I have been gone for a while and I want to talk to you about it. I'm Adi, this is Let's Hack, and I have been planning this video for months. For a long time, I've been making videos like everyone else in the cybersecurity niche. We take some tool up, maybe new, maybe old, from GitHub or someplace else. We run it, we clone it, I film it, and there's a big hacked on the thumbnail. I mean, it may be from me, it may be from somebody else, but if you have been in this space, you have seen thousands of these, right? And to be honest, all the videos did fine. The views were good, comments were great, and if I posted videos regularly, I was getting views and subscribers. But I felt really hollow doing it because I felt like it wasn't really helping you advance your career or feed your interest, and it wasn't really my creative potential in all. So a few months back, I didn't really plan it. I just stopped. I started learning more and more. I started reading books about cybersecurity and ethical hacking. I started reading, taking up courses, professors, reading a lot of notes and research. I mean, I did a lot these past 6 months. And it really changed my perspective about hacking and cybersecurity. And I came back believing something that I actually did before, but I haven't really said it on camera, right? It sounds really stupid that hacking is like a craft. You can't boot camp into it. It is not like you have to earn 2 certificates and you become an ethical hacker. It doesn't work like that. It's you understand systems to their very core. You understand a particular OS or a particular system better than the people who actually developed it to find anywhere vulnerabilities can exist. And I mean, that's the whole game. You can read any Project Zero report, and most of the researchers know Chrome better than the people who actually developed it. So it's not something, you cannot have a tool that can hack everything. It doesn't work like that. You have to sit, and it is a really patient thing to understand the very basics, the very principles of everything that we are running. And that's the bar. That's what we're trying to achieve. And believe me, if this channel can't make you cross that finish line, it can put you ahead of a lot of people that are doing the same thing, and they're watching, a new app which has dropped that can hack everything. All of this is clickbait, right? I think you know this by now. And to understand how hacking and ethical hacking works, you have to learn about subsystems. You have to learn about actually what is happening in web browsers, in web servers, how every request is being made, how it is being sent, where all vulnerabilities are most likely to lie. And I mean, that's the goal, right? And people spend years doing this and they still can't. That's the beauty of it, right? There is endless knowledge. So from now on, this channel does 3 things. The first ones are real tutorials. I mean, the tools that real hackers and researchers use on a daily basis, and we are going to be learning it cover to cover. Every single cool thing that a tool can do, we are going to be using free as well as the pro tools, right? So that you can understand what a good tool can do. It can save you both time and money. We are going to be using tools like Ghidra and Wireshark and Burp Suite and many, many more. Believe me, by the end of this, you're going to be using tools like a pro. Second are deep dives. The tools that everybody uses on a daily basis, like Chrome, SSH, TCP protocols, anything that people don't actually understand how they are working, we are going to be looking deep into it. So we're going to be following the whole thing, understanding deeply how it works and every place a vulnerability can lie. Right? It's just after this that we can actually start hacking systems. If we don't know how it works, we can't do anything with it. And the third one, I'm most excited about this one. This is called indigenous builds. We build things from the absolute scratch. I mean, there are no frameworks. We are going to be using some basic libraries which are very readily available. And we are going to be building tools like web servers. We are going to be building packet sniffers. We are going to be building some websites which will actually help us in some way, you'll see, right? And these are indigenous builds on this channel, and they are amazing. Believe me, you will have such a great understanding about all these things once you build it yourself. It doesn't matter if it's slow, if it's not running really properly, because it's just supposed to get you to an understanding about how that thing actually works. And I want to be straight with you about something. This is not going to be really easy. This is going to be a little bit hard, but that's actually how it's supposed to go. I mean, it might require a little bit from your side, a little bit hard work from my side as well. And that's when we can reach a place where both of us can benefit from each other. And believe me, I know there is a part of you that wants to take a shortcut, that wants to, start using GitHub tools again. I have been there. Trust me, that's not the way to go, and you will get nothing down that path. Even if this is slow, even if this requires a little bit more hard work, this is far, far more rewarding. If you stay with me and you actually do all the work, you will end up at a place that most of YouTube can't really take you, and that's the hard truth. If you're done with the copy paste and you actually want to learn, just leave 2 words down in the comments below: from scratch. And the main thing why I want you to do this is because it gives a little bit of fuel to me to work even harder to get you the best content possible, right? So it won't take you any time. Just leave 2 words in the comments down below. Like the video, subscribe to the channel so that you don't miss any future updates. And here's what I'm promising back. For every from scratch comment I get, for every real question you ask about any lecture, any tool, any error that you are having, I and my team will be putting together a response for you in 48 hours. Believe me, you'll get the answer to your query. And God, I've really missed this. All right, keep hacking.